Okay, so today I am unboxing. I got a huge order from Plants by Mail. I think it's like 20 plants or something. And the plan for these is I'm going to do 2 game day planting containers for Auburn. Auburn themed, football themed. Those are going to end up on the front porch. But first I have to unbox all these plants. I still have all of my own rosilias to pot up. I have all of these plants to deal with. Today, it's Saturday, it's like 1 o'clock. My first goal order of business is to unbox all these, give them a good water, then I'm gonna clean our front porch, like completely spray down with the hose, give it a good wipe down because it's really disgusting. I think we have like a lot of dust up there. And then I think I'm going to assemble the game day planters on the front porch, just that way I don't have to move them. I probably won't get to doing all. Sorry, I hear like a buzzard. I probably won't get to doing all that today, but if I could just unbox these and clean the front porch, that would be fantastic. So I'll take y'all along with me. Heritage. These are going to be my spiller and I'm just going to clean this off now. I might wash those maybe. Everything just needs a good spray, like there's just bugs everywhere and whatever. There's also a huge wasp and hornet nest up there. I don't know if y'all can see it. So I'm gonna take care of that. Yeah. Oh, my poor boxwood.
Unless your boxwood's made out of wasps, it'll probably be okay.
I think that's probably good. Anyway, today I just wanted to spray it off with the hose. I think it's looking a lot better and cleaner. I'm gonna wash all of those cushions and stuff that were up there. And yeah, I think I might have some fall decor that I'm gonna put out, so I'm gonna kind of leave it like this and just tomorrow I'll bring the blower out and get to work on the rest.